Me llegó algo. Vamos a ver qué es.
The United States can pay any debt it has because we can always print money to do that.
Money. The Fed issues U.S. currency. That's why it says Federal Reserve Note on all the bills in your wallet. The Fed actually pays for itself.
Flooding the system with money.
Yes, exactly.
And there's no end to your ability to do that.
There is no end, and there is an infinite amount of cash in the Federal.
The one thing that's missing, but that will soon be developed, is a reliable e-cash, a method whereby on the internet you can transfer funds from A to B.
There's plenty of money. They print more every day. But in this ticket, there's only 5 of them, all there's ever going to be. Give this up for something as common as money.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Well, that's a Bitcoin.